If luxury vinyl tiles will not lock tightly during installation, stop and assess immediate causes before forcing connections. Start by confirming the subfloor is flat to within 1/4 inch over 10 feet, using a straight edge or long level, and correct high or low spots with a self-leveling compound or by sanding high areas. Clean the plank edges and locking channels with a soft brush and mild cleaner to remove dust and debris that interfere with engagement and allow surfaces to dry fully. Use a tapping block along the edge designed for vinyl to protect the locking ridge while gently tapping panels together, and finish tight seams closest to walls with a pull bar to avoid compressing the last row. Check each plank for manufacturing defects by aligning the tongue and groove on a workbench before installation. Warped or chipped locking profiles must be replaced to prevent ongoing movement. Maintain consistent room temperature for at least 24 hours before and after installation so the material is stable and not expanding or contracting as you lock pieces in place. When you reach tricky transitions or short end pieces, cut slightly longer and trim gradually so the locking mechanism has full surface to engage rather than being forced on a miscut edge. Common problems are subfloor unevenness, dirty or damaged locking profiles, and thermal movement causing gaps or popping. If the floor is not level, take the time to level it, because short-term fixes like extra adhesive or forcing joints create long-term failures. Use a leveling compound or replace sections of subfloor as needed. When dirt or debris stops, locks from engaging, remove the affected planks, clean channels thoroughly, and reassemble using the tapping block and pull bar for a protected, tight fit. If individual planks are defective or their locking mechanism is chipped, do not attempt to force them in place. Replace those planks to preserve the integrity of the entire floating installation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information that helps diagnose installation issues like loose luxury vinyl tiles. We host a discussion community where we share real experiences, ask questions, and find contractors or work opportunities through our network.